In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create Revolut Business Bank Account. We'll walk through the full signup from the first search to your verified dashboard with tips to keep everything smooth and compliant. Start by opening your web browser and searching for Revolut. Head to the official Revolut website, find the business section, and select Create Account. You'll be asked to choose your country, so make sure Revolut supports your location before moving forward. If it does, click Continue. Next, pick your legal business type. Choose the option that aligns with how your company is registered, then continue. Enter the work email you want associated with your business account and hit continue. Now go to your inbox and authorize the login using the message from Revolut. That confirms your email and brings you back to the sign-up flow. Enter your phone number and double check the correct country code is selected before continuing. You'll receive a verification code by text. Enter that code to proceed. Create a strong password you won't forget, ideally stored in a secure password manager, and click Continue. Provide your date of birth and continue. Add your residential address exactly as it appears on official documents. Consistency helps avoid delays. Continue again. Search for your business's legal name and select it. Then continue. Now complete your business details. Enter the legal name, your company's house registration number, and the date of incorporation. Make sure these match your official records precisely. Mismatches can trigger extra checks. Click Continue. Input your business address, city, and postcode, then continue. You'll now verify your identity. Click Continue and choose the type of ID you'll use, such as a passport or national ID, depending on what's accepted in your region. When prompted, start the video recording for the liveness check. Sit in good lighting, hold your documents steady, and follow the on-screen instructions carefully. Remove hats or glasses if asked and keep your face centered. After submitting your documents, Revolut will review your application. This review can take a little time depending on volume and the completeness of your details. Once verification is successful, you'll land on your business dashboard. From there, you can explore features like payments, cards, and invoicing. If you see any prompts to provide additional information, complete them promptly to avoid service interruptions. That's it. Your Revolut business account is created. Keep your credentials secure, ensure your business information stays up to date, and you'll be ready to operate with a modern, compliant business banking experience.